She planned a perfect escape, yet her mind became an office. 15 tabs bloomed, each one another tiny duty. Villas, flights, cars, and dinners all demanded her attention. Her holiday began feeling like unpaid project management. Then reality arrived with a cruel, sudden halt. A highway accident trapped her car outside Cancun. Her buffer vanished while the clock kept smiling. She missed her flight and panic rushed in. At the airport, DIY freedom turned into chaos. Rebooking meant queues, hold music, and shrinking options. But she only made one call. A real human answered, already knowing her journey. New flights, car cancellation, and late checkout were arranged. A lounge seat waited, calm and ready. Her crisis became somebody else's Tuesday afternoon. Luxury is not booking, it is hidden protection. Photos never show stairs, sound, allergies, or sleepless nights. Experience notices those secrets before you arrive. Relationships unlock the tables Google cannot find. The glow comes from what you do not manage. By surrendering logistics, you reclaim your presence. You become a parent, partner, or friend again. The journey starts with feelings, not dates. Tell us what you need to leave behind. We design the escape around your life. We save you time, eliminate risk, and deliver bespoke perfection through smart tech and human expertise.